Introducing the 2023 Polestar 2 Lrsm 231 horsepower fully electric sedan in sleek grey. Packed with luxurious features like satellite navigation, ambient lighting and remote heating control. Safety is a priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. This vehicle is not only stylish and safe, but also eco-friendly with energy recuperation and over-air updates. Fully serviced and checked for your peace of mind, this Polestar comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line electric vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Drive into the future with the Polestar 2.